Okay, so we heard a gunshot go off in the house, and all of a sudden the dishwasher door got really heavy. So my suspicion is one of the springs let go, and we're gonna make an attempt here, see if we can salvage it. Maybe we'll get lucky and um, it just popped off after some aggressive opening and closing by our toddler. This thing is pretty indestructible, this dishwasher. I don't know, it's some Maytag thing. Really, nothing can kill this. I've been very impressed with it. So let's dig into it and see if it's a quick fix and can get this door, which feels like it's made of lead, closing a little easier again. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh, and she's knackered. Well, let's see if we can make herself another little hoop here and get some more life out of this. Here's the other piece. I think I might have fixed this one time before. Lasted about 4 years, so I'm good with that. So this little spring thing is just like what you got on your garage door. It takes a lot of the weight from the door and makes it a little lighter for the user to lift it. And basically this is pretty difficult to stretch, so as you move this down, it loads the spring up, and the spring is pulling in this direction, so it's kind of acting like a lever arm, a little arm here. So it's gonna help close the door. So we're lucky. This plastic piece is intact, and all I gotta do is try and make another hook on here, and hopefully it'll get going again. So I've given it a little bit of effort and it's starting to open up, so I'll just keep doing that. And then what we might do is give this a little heat to kind of relax the steel a bit so it doesn't break so quickly next time. I guess 4 years is a pretty good run, so I guess if you gotta spend 20 minutes every 4 years to save yourself, I don't even know. You might be able to get parts for this thing, but it's not too much effort to kind of do this. But it is a spring of a thing, and so we're pretty much there. Another hook, so might knock that down a bit. I've got a vise, so why should I work hard? better. I might have actually bent this too far. Okay. I think if I can get it like this, it might be okay. I'm not too fussed about in here. All the strain is going to be right there. This is just to keep it from gouging the dishwasher. Try that. We may have to tinker a bit more. Okay, with some luck, I think I got an example. Like that. Oh, this thing goes in like that, so that should work. I'll see if it makes noise. It goes to the inside. And now springs can be a little intimidating because they store energy, but I don't think this will be too bad. They're pretty relaxed in this state. So, there. Fixed. Oh yeah. Nice and balanced. Let's go put this back into service. So I'll get this buttoned up, and maybe this will save you a couple bucks. If you like what you see, leave a comment, hit the like button, maybe subscribe, and I'll keep bringing this kind of stuff to you. Bye for now.